So Morphe have another collaboration, and that is with Pony Park. So if you don't know who she is a South Korean makeup artist. Her makeup is gorgeous, and she collaborated with Morphe and brought out this amazing eyeshadow palette. I like the fact that there is a mixture of warm and kind of lilac. It's not all kind of one colour palette, if that makes sense. If you want to hear my thoughts on this palette and you want to see what look I create, then just keep on watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Hannah and I am a makeup artist and pretty much just a makeup fanatic. So if you love makeup and beauty, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Guys, how do you say it? Euphoria? Euphoria! Okay, so apparently Euphoria, I had to Google how to say that. Honestly, I'm Googling everything because I've been living under a rock. But Euphoria is not, you know, new. It just came out with a second season. I have never seen it. Let me know if you guys have. But it is trending on TikTok again, and I thought I would kind of take inspiration from that because is this palette not very Euphoria vibes? It's the perfect chance to do an Euphoria style or inspired makeup look. So why not? Let's just go all like la 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 la. I'm in a really good mood. The first colour I'm going to go in with is the shade Mood. And we're just gonna lightly dust that across the natural crease of my eye. So this colour, it's coming up a lot lighter than I thought, but it's a really nice transition shade. So anytime that you want a transition shade, whatever colour theme you're working with, you just want a colour that is lighter in tone basically. So guys, I forgot to mention I do have my foundation and brows already on in case you hadn't already noticed. If you want this look to be a little bit more wearable, then just kind of keep it a little bit lower in the crease. So next I'm going to go in with the shade Nyangmi and Polarity. Basically just going to kind of mix the two together. And again, look down into my mirror and work that into the natural crease of my eye. This colour is staying more on the outer corner to about halfway across. And I'm also going to pop those same colours underneath the eye. Keep working that Yang shade underneath the eye, but again I'm kind of like the top, I'm focusing it more on the outer corner. Let's make this look a little bit more pinky. I'm then using the same fluffy brush as before. I'm going to take that Orbit shade and kind of diffuse that edge and work that same colour into the crease because that colour is chef's kiss. Take that same Orbit shade on an E43 brush and we're going to stamp it into the lower lash line for more definition. Gorgeous girls, always over a blush. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls are always in a rush. So next, take any concealer or eye base and take that on a flat brush, but nothing that is too flat and defined. You want it to have a little bit of shape to it, and also a little bit thicker than your normal like concealer brush. And this is basically because we're not going to create a cut crease. We just want to make that space a little bit wider and just kind of stand out a little bit more, so when we put our lighter colour on, it just stands out even more. So start on the inner part of the eye and just work it across to about halfway, or maybe about quarter of the way across. And you just want to dab that on in patting motions and also swipe over the edges so the edge isn't too sharp. Then once you get to the middle, you just want to use your finger. I find the best way to do this is with my finger because it kind of melts it in. Just pat it across. Next, using my finger and taking the shade Ruby, we're going to pat that on the kind of centre part of the eye. Oh my god, that colour is stunning. Can you see it? Might be able to see it more if I turn my ring light down. Actually, I've decided I think I'm going to take this colour all over. I'm just going to press it on and have the most saturation on the outer part. Just kind of lightly dab it on the inner part. Because we've got that concealer down, it's acting as an adhesive as well. Just to amplify that colour even more, I'm going to go in with the shade Breathe. And we're going to apply that kind of on the inner corner and the centre as well to really catch the light. I think that is definitely one of my favourite colours in the palette, along with the shade Orbit, because it is so sparkly. I wore that colour on New Year's Eve and it is gorgeous. I'm going to take that same Breathe shade on the inner corner of the eye as well. This next step is obviously optional, but I'm going to add some gemstones or rhinestones. Wouldn't be an Euphoria inspired makeup look without some gems. So let's just go all out. You know, you might be watching this before a festival and that is perfect for a festival. So I've just got this pack from, I think I got it from Amazon, and I'm just going to go with these smaller gemstones first. Then what I'm going to do is kind of use it as a guide on where I want it. So I've just got it on my tweezer and I'm going to place it on top. As you can see, I've just put some more rhinestones on and got carried away, but of course, like I said, you have to put that many on. So I'm going to go ahead and apply lashes now. So I used Prima lashes in the style Neo, so they're really wispy, so they're not too thick all the way up the top, so it's not going to cover what you've already done. So I'm just going to look down into my mirror and then I literally just tuck corners in. I've just popped some mascara on my lower lashes. I'm now going to go in with lips, and this is Boldly Bare lip liner by MAC. Thought to tie in with that like peachy mauvey tone, I'm going to go with a mauvey peachy lip. Next I'm going to use Dragon Beauty liquid lip, and this is in the shade Bad Bitch. Bad Bitch. So I'm just going to pop it on the bottom lip and then pop my lips together and then literally just dab it on, because I feel like the liquid lip, you don't need a lot of it. Then over the top of that, I'm going to use Morphe Lip Gloss in the shade Pop. So this is the peachy kind of gloss. That is pretty much the look finished. I really hope you like the look. I know it's something a little bit different, but you know, why not add rhinestones and go to the shop? But I hope you liked the look nonetheless. Of course, you can take the rhinestones away and it will be a lovely lilac purple smoky eye. In terms of the palette, they blended so nicely, especially like the pressed kind of glitter ones. They all feel really smooth and buttery, so I will definitely be doing more looks with this palette. So let me know what kind of looks you would like me to create. So that is everything from me. Of course, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you thought, and also give this video a thumbs up as well. So that is everything from me. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see me in my next one. Bye!